As a tax and estate planning lawyer, I am able to help many clients with preparing and executing or amending their estate plans. But what happens after that? Everyone's family is different and has its own complexities. It can often be uncomfortable to confront family members about the ways they are helping, or if you have concerns that they may not be assisting in the right ways. As a tax and trust lawyer with experience in litigation, I can help clients navigate these difficult and often uncomfortable situations. Sometimes I have clients come to me for purposes of just facilitating communications among family members. In these situations, litigation is often not contemplated or even wanted by my clients, but they need someone to communicate on their behalf because of a breakdown in their own communications with their family members. My clients often seek my help in an effort to rebuild relationships while still accomplishing their goals. I am able to communicate with family members on their behalf to make sure my clients receive updates and information that they are entitled to receive, while still allowing them to avoid having these difficult and often contentious conversations with their family members. In other instances, the client matter may have gone past the initial arguments phase with family members, and it might have escalated to a place where actual wrongful actions by the trustee seem to have already taken place. In these instances, I highly encourage clients to consult with an attorney to assist them. Attorneys are aware of the duties and obligations that a trustee is supposed to fulfill, and they can work with the trustee or his or her counsel to obtain information and hopefully resolve the matter peacefully. If that is not a possibility, then the lawyer is in the best place to initiate a court action to resolve the issue when needed. In some cases, it may be a good idea to consider whether the trustee should be suspended or even removed. In other instances, there may not be a family dispute, but perhaps the client's parents or other loved one is recently deceased, and the trust that is in place is not clear on one or more important issues. An attorney should be consulted to determine whether a petition should be filed with the appropriate court to get clarification with respect to an aspect of the trust. If the client is a trustee, and especially if they are not accustomed to trust administration, it is very important to take this extra step to get clarification in order to fulfill the trustee's fiduciary duties. And finally, recently I have experienced many instances where elder abuse is suspected or perceived by family members. These family members are very concerned for their loved ones, who is possibly a victim of elder abuse, and they often do not know what to do. As we all know, navigating the different aspects of family dynamics is difficult and unpleasant. If elder abuse is ever suspected, I highly encourage my clients to seek the help and advice of an attorney. There are ways to gain control of the situation, if it is warranted, and to make sure that your loved ones are properly cared for. Of course, a good estate plan is the best way to ensure that family conflicts do not come up later. While this does not guarantee family harmony and that no dispute will ever arise, it is a very good start.